kulog na rin to at actually pang, yan, napaka-stretchable nga guys. As you can see, nakagalaw ko ng mas maayos. Yan, kitang-kita nyo. We have a different size guys and different color. This one is blue, black, gray, and then meron din po tayo, blue, black, gray, and blue. Yan guys. Please comment down, mag-check out na po tayo for basket number 8. Suggest beef waistband 28. For sure, STO, para po sa inyo, sir, this one, sir. For brief po, basket number 5 po. For basket number 5 po natin, sir, that one is, ayan, men's hip service po. Wait lang po, hanapin po natin yung sample. Ayan, sir. Okay, sir. This one, guys, yung ating men's 5-in-1 hipster brief po. This made of fabric and cotton elastomer material. Stretchable na rin siya, guys. Guide to width and logo waistband na po. As you can see, this one po, may logo this one na. Isusukat to guys for you to be able to see. Para mas makita nyo guys, yung size guide nyo po. Pwede po kayong pumunta sa basket and then sa pinakababa nyo po guys. Sukatin po natin guys, this one is basket number 5. Basket number 5 guys. Walang small. Let me check po kung walang small. Oh yes, wala na siyang small. Pero, I suggest na rin po iba. Wait lang. For you search na yun, wait lang po. Kung gusto nyo search ng basket number 2 po natin, yan, nakapin na po sa ating comment, sa ating screen, yung basket number 2, sir. That one is po made of material po, polyester material with cotton and 4% of elastomer material. Single jersey po yan. Hanapin ko po yung sample para mas makita nyo po. This one, sir. This one po yung sa ating basket number 2, guys. Basket number 2 po to, guys. This one.